Vanakkam and hi to all the beautiful ladies and gentlemen. We wish you a happy and a prosperous new year. We all know that 2020 has been really hard on us. So let's just hope that 2021 will be a great and a prosperous year to all of us. So in this video, we are going to unbox our 2021 Kanjivaram silk saree collections. So all these silk sarees are exquisite, unique and gorgeous. So 2021, so it's the starting of the year and it's a lot of festivities coming up. So why not enjoy wearing the saree? We have chosen one lucky winner for the giveaway from our last video, and we have mentioned the lucky winner's Instagram handle in our description box. So please get in touch with us to get your saree. So let's unbox our 2021 silk saree collections. This is a beautiful grey 1000 BUTTA silk saree. So this is a beautiful grey and silver Kanjivaram silk saree. So look at the design. It has this traditional Rudraksha buttas. So we say it as 1000 buttas, that is Ayiram butta in Tamil. So the whole saree has this beautiful Rudraksha butta woven throughout the saree, and it is flanked with two borders. So the upper part of the border has this floral meenakari border in silver, and the lower part of the saree has an 8 inches border. When you look at the pallu, it is a total different combination, grey with yellow, and the pallu has this smaller checks with Rudraksha and mango woven in antique silver zari. So this combination is very unique, and the blouse is yellow. For this kind of a saree, you can go with just a simple full sleeved neck blouse, because the whole saree is really beautiful, and if you just keep the blouse very simple, it will be really nice. So this is a unique combination of violet half and half Kanjivaram silk saree. So this saree has a small pink piping border on both sides, and the whole saree pattern is half and half. Where the upper half has a saree is just plain silk, and the lower half has this corway woven abstract zari designs. When you look at the pallu, it has this contrast violet and peach pink. So this has this beautiful motifs of floral and kolam and bunky design, which is woven throughout the pallu. And this saree has this beautiful brocade blouse pattern. So for this kind of a saree, you can go with elbow sleeve blouse, or just a closed neck, or just very simple pattern of just U-neck and a puff sleeve blouse will go really well along with this saree. This is an exciting sampanga green color. This is a without border saree, but it has this alternate checks pattern which is woven throughout the saree, where you can see one checks pattern has this floral design woven in gold zari, and another checks pattern woven in copper zari. So this saree design, it runs throughout the whole saree. Look at the pallu. It has this beautiful antique zari pallu with darker green blouse. So this is a very unique kind of a green. We call it as a sampanga green, which is a combination of yellow and parrot green. So this kind of a saree, you can go with a brocade blouse in green, in the same green, or you can go with with the red brocade blouse. It will look really nice. This is a traditional looking design with traditional pink and purple short color. So this saree has a traditionally woven corway border, where it has this beautiful Annapakshi and peacock woven designs. And when you look at the pallu, it has this rich magenta brocade pallu, and the blouse has this self jacquard magenta blouse. Simpler the blouse, the more beautiful the saree is gonna look. So you can go with a contrast color like a hot pink for this kind of a saree, or you can go with a similar shade which is given in the blouse, and you just keep a very simple pattern. The saree will look really traditional and beautiful. Age age-old charming temple green half and half silk saree. So this is a quite charming color. It is a short color called as temple green. Where the upper half of the saree has this very plain silk, while the lower half has this Korvai woven floral ornate design in gold zari. And the pallu is a contrast pallu. It is in hot pink with a gold brocade pallu. And look at the blouse. The blouse is so beautiful. It has this small star brocade blouse. So for this kind of a saree, you can go with a close neck and a bit low in the front, or you can go with a boat neck and full sleeve blouse for it, because this saree is such a classic. When you just pair it up with a very simple and a basic blouse, this will look amazing. A colorful multi-checks with traditional pattern. So yellow with pink and green is always a traditional combination. So the one beauty of this saree, it has each and every color has this own particular pattern. Every alternate panel of this green, yellow and pink, which is flanked with two sides a beautiful pink border, and it has this beautiful mango and Vanasingaram border. And the pallu, exquisite weaving of pink brocade pallu, and the blouse is just plain with the border. So this kind of a saree, you can go with a simple plain blouse with puff sleeves, or you can go with elbow sleeves with just a border, or you can highlight the border with some embroidery work. A striking ink blue Kanjivaram silk with thread motifs. The overall saree has this multi-thread mango buttas, which is woven throughout the saree. And it has this very simple traditional border. So the beautiful part of both this saree, it has this jute woven thread design, beautiful self gold brocade pallu. Even though there are like a lot of trendy sarees like half and half or partly or without border, but this kind of a saree has its own charm. So for this kind of a sarees, you can either go with hot pink or a classic red or a maroon blouse, or you can go with a simple ink blue blouse with just a traditional border. This saree will look really classy. This is a unique floral black and silver silk saree. This unique saree doesn't have any particular or a traditional border, but it has this woven silver zari buttas throughout the saree. The middle part has this smaller silver zari woven booties, whereas the both sides of the saree has this intricate woven sunflower design. Blue has this beautiful sunflower design woven in silver zari, and the blouse has this very plain yellow silk blouse. This kind of a saree can be woven with yellow brocade blouse, or just a simple black full sleeve blouse will look really amazing. A classic beige with pink combination. So even though the color combination is very classic and traditional, but the pattern is very unique and traditional. So this saree has this thread woven, column design and diamond and floral woven throughout the saree, and it has this tilakam and peacock zari motif which is woven in zari, and the pallu, it has this traditional pink antique zari pallu, and the border, it has this Korvai woven floral which is also antique zari. So this blouse is a very traditional and a typical jacquard woven, self jacquard woven blouse. You can just wear any patterned blouse or any kind of pink which will go with this. This is a stunning combination of cyan with gold and silver. So this saree has gold, silver. The cyan is a very unique combination. So hardly you get to see this kind of a combination. Borders are kept simple and traditional with silver and gold, whereas the body motifs has this very exclusively woven silver and gold florals which is woven as motifs which comes throughout the sari. And the pallu has this Vanasingaram zari woven pallu. The overall sari has this just gold, silver and cyan. It doesn't have any contrast combination. For such saris, you can go with the contrast blouse like red or dark violet, or just gold brocade banaras which has this silver tinge to it. Design as well as the combination is very unique. A very subtle combination, pale elachi green with grey. So another stunning and a gorgeous combination. So grey with elachi green. So the upper part of the sari is plain, while the lower part of this elachi green has this zari ornate checks which is comes through the pleats, and the pallu has this self-woven zari pattern. So when you look at the sari is very simple and subtle, but it eludes a rich classic taste to it. So these kind of saris, you needn't go with the much louder blouse or contrast blouses. So you can go with a simple grey with brocade patterns in self zari, or you can go with the shade of elachi green with just a simple pattern or just a very mild silver and gold embroidery work. This is a graceful combination of teal with mehendi green. So the usage of zari is very less, but when you look at the combination, it's very unique. So this is a teal and ananda blue shade of dual color body, which has this overall thread jacquard design. And look at the border, it is korvai woven mehendi green contrast border, and it has this beautiful Vanasingaram motifs like this elephant woven in gold and peacock woven in gold zari. So which is woven on both sides of the border, and the pallu has a very grandeur brocade gold zari pallu, and the blouse has this plain mehendi green blouse. So for this kind of a sari, it is a very contemporary design and it's very unique when you wear it. You can play a little with the blouse, so you can go with the teal and you can mix and match with the teal and the mehendi green blouse combination. For the body you can go with the teal color, and then the sleeves you can go with the mehendi green if you want to stand out from the crowd. So this is the sari for you. So if you like our videos, kindly like and share our videos. So if you have any question, kindly post in the comment section. If you like our videos and like to be notified about it, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can shop all of our collections and the collection shown in the video from our website www.cliosilks.com, where we would be adding collections every day. We have a very safe and secured payment gateway. You can either pay through debit card, credit card, net banking and PayPal. So if you'd like to see more collections, you can also contact us through WhatsApp +91 99 626 77777. Our sales staff would attend to you personally. So we do free shipping within India and we do ship worldwide. For orders above $400, we do free international shipping, and we have a hassle-free 10-day return policy. We are located in the prime locality at Alvapet, which is 5 minutes from T Nagar. We are working on all days from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. We have ample car parking space right in front of our store. We do same-day delivery within Chennai, and we offer complimentary sari fall and pico.